We are going to proceed strongly in litigation.
State Senate Bill 1909 is now law.
Our sincere hope is that that law will be struck down by the courts, at least in relevant part.
The measure, backed by Planned Parenthood, will subject the 100 or so pregnancy care centers in Illinois to steep fines, lawsuits, and actions by the Illinois Attorney General if they provide so-called misinformation or engage in what proponents of the pro-abortion law contend, but have not clearly defined, are deceptive practices.
If it's allowed to stand, the AG could start rifling through all of the pregnancy center manuals and their records and their everything, interviewing their volunteers, all to try to chill these ministries that are doing a great job cutting into the business of abortion.
Attorney Peter Breen will help lead the Thomas More Society's litigation against SB 1909.
It's viewpoint discriminatory, so it's saying, well, only if pregnancy centers talk about certain things that may have this effect are they covered. Abortion clinics are specifically excluded.
While other states have put safeguards in place to help protect women and their unborn babies, SB 1909 is another legislative tool crafted in part to welcome the surging number of women and young girls traveling to unrestricted Illinois for abortions. And Mr. Breen notes that lawmakers drafted it broadly enough to also put pro-life counselors outside abortion centers at legal risk.
So the pregnancy center focus really has to come to places like Illinois, and especially sidewalk counseling ministries and then pregnancy help ministries that are near to abortion clinics. Those really are cutting into those businesses.
As the legal fight against SB 1909 begins, the Thomas More Society's Peter Breen is encouraging pro-life pregnancy care centers in Illinois to carry on with their ministry.
You continue your current course of action. It's almost like an admission of guilt to do otherwise.
Pray for and support the work of pro-life pregnancy care centers and the Illinois Family Institute. Also, sign on for IFI email updates at illinoisfamily.org and click events at illinoisfamily.org.